This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the quiet, largely residential Buena Park neighborhood, just west of Lincoln Park, for a walk through one of the redesigned vintage apartments at Reside at 823. I've just stepped into apartment 112, a bright studio with oak hardwood flooring that extends throughout the living areas, a wall of windows. Heading toward the kitchen, we have a nicely defined dining area. And then you have a kitchen with good cabinet space for a studio. It's a 4-burner gas range, wall-mounted microwave, stainless steel refrigerator, and plantation shutters on all the windows. Heading toward the bath, we have a nice-sized walk-in closet with both double hanging and single hanging for your longer items. And the bath is freshly updated. Attractive tile, wall-mounted medicine cabinet. Story here is the location. Your short walk from the 18-mile lakefront trail. You have Dollop Coffee and a convenience store around the corner, and easy access to the miles-long strip of bars, restaurants, and shops along Broadway. Add in the multiple perks that Reside Living offers, and you have a unit that's on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.